Alright guys, video 5 for the day. Still trying to get my first video to work. Some reason talking about naked cheerleaders doesn't want to work. But let's jump into it. Trump administration awards contract to shift drug manufacturing to the United States. Can we do this in Australia, please? The White House announced Tuesday the decision to award a $354 million contract to Virginia pharmaceutical manufacturer to shift drug manufacturing to the United States. The contract was awarded to the federal government's Biomedical Advanced Research and Development Authority to Plough Corp of Richmond, who released the news Tuesday morning that the initial contract can also be extended after the first 4 years for up to $812 million. The company will use a continuous chemicals process to develop beer bug drugs in the United States rather than using ingredients produced overseas. For far too long, we've relied on foreign manufacturing and supply chains for most of important medicines and active pharmaceutical ingredients, while placing American health, safety, and national security at grave risk. Director of the White House Official Trade and Manufacturing Policy, Peter Navarro, said. Plough will partner with Chute, Virginia Commonwealth University Medicine for All Institutes, and AMPAC Fine Chemicals to help develop and produce the medicines. In the midst of this pandemic, America needs a reliable source of high-quality, domestically manufactured, affordable pharmaceutical and their key ingredients, says Eric Edwards, MD, PhD, the co-founder of the president and co-founder of Plough. This advanced manufacturing capability will significantly fortify our nation's pharmaceutical supply chain for critical medicines, including many requests to treat patients hospitalized with beer bug. The company will also build the country's first national stockpile of pharmaceutical ingredients, including the release helping the United States survive a future global pandemic. Years from now, historians will see this as an innovative project and define movement and inflection point of protecting American families and our country from the current and future public health threats, Navarro said. To be honest, I don't see this as a bad thing. The chat, obviously, the comments below, it's obviously Breitbart, so they're going to generally agree with the president, but American first, this is how to hit comes, whatever. President Trump made American energy independent. Now he's doing the drug manufacturing and other areas, Trump 2020. So generally, people are liking this, generally. And I think it's really good news. To be honest, the American countries should be making their own drugs. Australia should do it. America should do it. The UK should do it. We should have our own stockpile. We should have our own manufacturing. And at the end of the day, I think it's a great thing for everybody if we become independent and self-reliant. You know, 90% of all drugs in the US are made in China. Not anymore. Now that's going to shrink. We don't know by how much, but any shrinkage is a good thing. I really don't see this as a bad sign. I imagine the media won't cover it because, God forbid. But at the end of the day, no, I think this is a good thing. And I think at the end of the day, this is going to be good news for America. And good news for you guys in the future. If you ever have any more pandemics or anything like that, you'll be able to obviously have this to rely on. So they'll be able to go through and manufacture and produce. Looks like my University of Kentucky has just gone up. Thank God for that. But yeah, guys, look, at the end of the day, let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section below. Personally, I think this is a good thing. And yeah, I think it's a win for America, win for Trump, and win for the American people. Let me know what your thoughts are in that comment section below. One more story for the day, guys. I hope you enjoy it. 6 videos. Don't get used to it, Ellen. Apart from that, guys, we'll see you in the next demonetized video from YouTube. Oops, wrong button.